how to create a TikTok business account. You want to first go ahead and open up your TikTok app and then simply go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, you want to go ahead and click on the three bars on the top right hand corner. And then now it's going to lead you to this couple of options where you want to click on settings and privacy. Now, once you're in your settings and privacy, you can see there's a lot of different options for you to choose from. So we need to go ahead and choose on the account. So now I'm going to bring you to your account where you can see that the option right here, it says switch to business account. You want to click on that option. And then now you're going to be right up to this page where it says, hi, whatever your username is, welcome to business account. Next, and now it's going to teach you about all the things that business accounts have to offer. And then now you want to choose a category for your business account to basically customize and show what you want to base your account off of. So maybe it's in finance investing. Choose your personal niche and then click on next. And I can add a profile photo if you want, but if you already have one, click on skip. You can tell people more about your business in your bio, but I'm going to click on skip, maybe later. And as you can see, it says you're all set, meaning that our account has officially been turned into a business account.